guys, bestie. Welcome back to another vlog. I am waiting for the bus. I did bring my crochet, my skirt. Did a lot of improvements. I'm still working on it. Just a little muggy. I wish I didn't wear this jacket, but I'm sweating. I got this new shirt. I really enjoy it. From Walmart for $7. So yeah, I really like my new shirt. So I'll see you guys on the other side when we're at the loop. And plus I'm getting coffee. So yeah, see you guys on the other side. I'm on the bus. Eating bread and bacon. Nice day for shit. This is like my neighborhood when I was a little kid. So I'll see you guys on the other side. So I got my coffee. I'm waiting for the sky train to go to Newport. So it's yucky out today. Too bad we can't go golfing. That was what Newport wanted, but it's too wet. So nope. And because I'm not sure. I'll see you guys on the other side. Alright, I'm at Inlet and I'm gonna walk down to Newport Village. So that's really good. I'll see you guys on the other side. So wet. But we're not doing golfing today. So I have to tap out. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Well, I'm almost at Newport. I don't like waiting for the bus out here. It takes forever. So, and it's not always reliable. So, yeah. I sort of miss Port Reading, but at the same time I don't. Like, they don't have a lot of things to do. Not really. Yeah, I don't see this area that much. I grew up here when I was 12 to 19 and no 18. So yeah. So I'm on my road. I'll be at Newport in like 5 minutes away. So I'll see you guys on the other side later. World, so I'm going home. We went to mom now. I'm going home. I'll see you guys later. Well, I am home. I am tired. Me and Brad doesn't do much. They think when I go home because his back and legs are sore, so yeah, and it's not a nice day out, so the mall was kind of boring. I didn't go shopping as much. I bought one thing. It was $2 and I need it for my crochet. So that's pretty much it. I try not to spend much money these days unless I have to buy groceries. But right now I'm just hanging out home. Hopefully next week I want to do something. Hopefully we can go swimming, and I've been trying to hang out with my sister, but she's always busy. But I'm going to try it again. Message her. He said, hey, do you want to hang out this week? Like, I'm fine doing swimming or whatever, because it's going to be the last week of summer before the kids go back to school, and then I think summer will be ending 2 weeks in September, and then it'll be fall. So, yeah, so I am tired. And then special starts in September, but my baseball starts in April, so I can have a nice break. So I'm doing self-defense class, and then I'm going to sign up for a class in the community, and then, yeah, because I don't really like bowling anymore, and that lead is terrible. So yeah, I'm going to work on that skirt, and then hopefully after I finish the skirt project, I want to do a vest. I'm not sure. And then I don't know. So I'll see you guys on the other side. So I am back. I had dinner. Now I'm going to work on my crochet. The skirt. So yeah. Yeah, I'm going to work on that. So I don't have much to say. I didn't do much today besides seeing Bradley and Nathan in the mall and getting these. So today was a shitty day. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. What we're doing. Like, I did think of going bowling or a movie or indoor golf. There's indoor golf, and I think there's karaoke. What else? We could do our cave. I think there's one in New Westminster. Yeah. And yeah, I do not want to do Equipment Center because honestly, there's a girl at my bowling. I'm not very sure for bowling this year anyway. I had to quit. So this girl is so mentally horrible and effing the R word, and she is like the biggest bitch in the planet, and she is annoying, she is stupid, she's wasteful with money, and not a lot of people like her, and she does get seizures because she will become a bitch, like a aka bully. I don't give a fuck she gets seizures, by the way. So, yeah, I don't like her. So, and she's an immature piece of shit. So, I said not to sign up for bowling. So, I don't want to sign up for it. So, and plus, I do not like my coach. So, I am happy that I'm free. So, I just signed up for softball and that's it. I am doing self-defense class in September, and then I'm looking to sign up for classes in the community. I want to learn Italian, the language, aka, and yeah, I am happy that I quit my Saturday bowling league because it's a piece of shit. And honestly, the coaches don't do anything, and the parents don't do anything, or aka caregivers don't do anything. So after Callie passed, I was walking on eggshell in that fucking lead. So, and I had enough of that lead. So she passed a year ago, but I hate that bowling lead. So I am not coming back. It's a piece of shit. It's a waste of money to go all the time. So I am saving that money. So that's good. And I won't miss the shitty ass people there. So, yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow on another vlog or aka video. Bye.